Okay, here's some data laid out in a spreadsheet for us that shows information about a certain stock, in this case Valeant Pharmaceuticals, which trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange and has been the subject of a lot of news headlines over the last couple years. What do we have? We've got time, we've got open, which is the price the stock opened at. We've got the high, which is the highest price that it was observed the stock trade at for that day. And we've got the low, which is the lowest price the stock traded at. The close is the price recorded at the end of the day, and the volume is the number of shares. And this looks really nice. It's in a neat laid out grid for us. Everything is sorted. We can easily look at it and analyze it. But often, instead, when we get data, it looks something like this. This is the raw data that I just pasted into Excel from where I got it online. And you can see this doesn't look good at all. It's just this mess, and if I click on the cells, I can see, aha, look what's going on here. In this cell, there's a whole bunch of numbers instead of just one number, and we want to fix that. And the way we fix that in Excel is through something called text to columns. So if you go up here on the top of the screen, text to columns, and Excel will pop up this little wizard to try and help you put that mess of data into a nice neat grid. And we have two options. One, delimited, or two, fixed width. You almost always want delimited. And what basically delimit is going to do is say, look at this mess of numbers. You see these commas here. Let's tell Excel to go look at commas, and every time we see a comma, split that mess of text into a different cell. And if you see when I select comma in the list, Excel's preview of what that data is going to look like changes dramatically. So I'll just go ahead and do that, and presto, Excel will sort. So whenever you try to put data into your spreadsheet or try to play around with data, if it doesn't look nice, Excel has you taken care of. Any other spreadsheet you might use has you taken care of, and the answer is text to columns.